In a mystical kingdom, nestled amidst the verdant hills, dwelled a unique creature, the ferret. This nimble and quick-witted creature, with its sleek, agile body, was the realm's most trusted messenger. One day, a crisis arose, for the castle of the king was under siege by an invading army. The messenger ferrets were all busy, and the castle's messenger, a young and sprightly creature named Ferris, was yet to be given a task. Ferris, feeling restless and anxious, peered out from his burrow, watching the chaotic scene unfold. He yearned to prove his worth and contribute to the defense of his home. Seeing the chaos, the wise old owl, the castle's counselor, sensed Ferris's determination. He approached the young ferret and, with a knowing twinkle in his eyes, said, "Ah, Ferris, the time has come for you to show your mettle." With a leap of joy, Ferris set off, bounding through the battlefield, determined to deliver a message to the king that would save the day. As he navigated the chaos, he noticed the fear that gripped the hearts of the soldiers, the cries of the wounded, and the clangor of swords. But Ferris, with his agile body and quick mind, moved swiftly and stealthily, undetected amidst the din of battle. He reached the king, delivered his message, and returned to the battlefield, his mission accomplished. The king, hearing the message, rallied his troops, and the tide of battle turned. The invaders were repelled, and peace was restored to the kingdom. The story of Ferris, the agile messenger, became a legend, a tale of courage, determination, and the power of being quick, agile, and resourceful in the face of adversity. The moral of the tale was clear: no matter how small, everyone has a role to play, and when faced with adversity, it is our agility and resilience that can turn the tide.